how to make game in Rezona. So yeah, you can just go to the app. You do not need to upgrade. You need to tap plus in the bottom. If you're too lazy, just you can generate the ideas for yourself. You can upload some photos. You can upload some videos, sounds, memes, features. Require microphone. So this is what players need to have to give access. Require microphone, gyroscope control, request username, haptic feedback. So this is like features. But yeah, you can just use prompt yourself. So for example, for me, I was using this app, it's enough. So as you can see, literally 5 words prompt, and it will design quite a good game. It's quite cool. Of course, if you want something better, you need to have like a specific long prompt, and that's what it is. But you can see now that I posted one game. You can see here is my game. Yeah, I can see the privacy settings. So let me just show you what I have. So this is the example game I just created from a very simple prompt. And as you can see, it's quite good quality. And then the idea is obviously that you need to post these games on the feed, and people will like them, kind of like an Instagram, share them. Also, when you're posting, you can add like that it's remixable or not. Remixable means that any person can take this and remix it and create a new game based on already on your prompting. So you can disable or enable that. Also, I would recommend have top searches. So here is what you see. You see top searches, top creators, top games, top rising games. So basically, you literally can see, which types of games you want to create. I would recommend you, if you are a starting creator, do not just create, some game out of your mind. Do some research, some analytics, some data. It's really important, like, like in SEO. And then just, okay, here are some popular tags. Just create Roblox game, create like Sonic game. I don't know, people creating also some politics games that are going viral, and then just include that, I guess, in the title and the description of the game, and people will start finding you. And then people search for it, then you can see for you. I don't know obviously how algorithm works here. Maybe it's not that advanced as YouTube, because these are often solo developer apps. But yeah, it's getting much better, and there are like bunch of other apps in this category, like Sekai, some others. And yes, some people literally collecting a lot of followers, a lot of likes, and it's only starting. So it's starting like Instagram in 2006, whatever. So if you like building games, this is a really good platform to start. You can really amass like tens of thousands of followers here and build your audience similar as you did on TikTok and so on. So that's just what you have. Now that's kind of the idea. So check it out.